Welcome back. Now, you may have heard of potential treatment options for COVID-19. Local Rogers physicians are putting these options to the test. We're joined by Dr. Daniel Gruener, Chief Medical Officer at Woodland Research Northwest. Now, he's here to talk about those options. Hi, Dr. Gruener.
Hi, Dr. Gruener.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, thank you for joining us.
Good to see you. So can we talk about the differences between vaccine and treatment studies?
Sure. So simply put, vaccine studies basically teach the body to deflect being infected with the COVID-19 virus, whereas treatment studies are for people that are infected and are ill, and the treatment will either prevent someone mildly ill from becoming severely ill, or maybe even treat the complications of being ill. And vaccines have been all over the news. You know, we have the Operation Warp Speed program. Treatment studies are just as important.
Yeah, let's talk about that importance really quick.
Sure.
Because everybody hears the word vaccine. You're like, I can't wait for the vaccine to come out. I want to get the vaccine. But why are treatment studies equally as important?
Well, first of all, I hope we'll have a vaccine by the end of the year. And my company does vaccine studies as well as treatment studies. But we may not have a vaccine by the end of the year. That would be unprecedented in terms of timelines. So if we don't have a vaccine soon, if we do have an effective treatment, that'll buy us time to develop a safe and effective vaccine. So we're trying to prevent people from getting severely ill and dying, and a treatment would do that. And there are 570 studies being conducted, and only 170 of those studies are vaccines. Now, if you look at the numbers that are needed, a vaccine study generally needs about 30,000 volunteers. Treatment studies, somewhat less, but still a fair number of people. So if you're thinking, let somebody else do the study, but boy, I want something to come out and I want it out soon and I'm going to be the first in line to get it, that's not going to happen. We have to partner here. And I'm here to reach out to the people of Arkansas. Work with us, volunteer to do studies. If not, we're not going to have a treatment approved by the FDA. Now, the FDA is doing its part. It actually started a program specifically for treatment called the Coronavirus Treatment Acceleration Program, and they're trying to eliminate some of the typical barriers we have to getting something from the research stage to the market quickly. But again, if we don't have people volunteering, we're not going to reach that stage, and we're not going to get a treatment, even getting emergency use authorization by the FDA. So please, it's critical that people volunteer. And I'll give you our number. We have a recruitment hotline that you can call. They'll go over what studies we have running. If we don't have something that meets your needs right now, we probably will, and we'll call you when we do. So our number is area code 479-326-7710. 479-326-7710. So once again, 479-326-7710.